What is going on, guys? Today, we're back with another rebuild. First in a while, we're doing the Buffalo Bills. Should be a good one. Of course, they're playing in 35 minutes, and happy wildcard weekend. My Rams are playing at 4:40. If you want to watch it, it's on Nickelodeon on CBS. Well, it's this right now. It's actually in 35 minutes, but in this, it's going. This is actually going to be right now. So. Look at this roster. Honestly, this is actually a pretty good team. It's just a lot of bad contracts. It's a pretty darn good team. It's just there's a lot of bad contracts. Starting off with the quarterback. I don't know. Yeah, he's pretty dang good. Yeah, his name is Josh Allen. He's very, very good. Devin Singletary, Zach Moss out of Utah. Where the heck did Devin Singletary go? FA, Florida Atlantic. I remember that now. But either way, yeah, they're good, but what you say, Josh Allen and Stephon Diggs have career years. Stephon Diggs, of course, does rack him up, is pretty dang good this season. Cole Beasley is playing out of his mind. John Brown's been injured, but he's very good and reliable. Isaiah McKenzie's decent. Gabriel Davis is fine. Andre Roberts, of course, probably the best returner in the NFL besides this Cordero Patterson. O-line, Dan Dawkins is a very good left tackle. Brian Winters is old. And, okay. Mitch Morris is a pretty dang good center, but he's old too. John Feliciano is old too, and he has a pretty dang bad contract. Darrell Williams is also old. It's a pretty dang old offensive line, except for Deion Dawkins. And he's not even that young at 26, but it's considered young. Dawson Knox is a decent tight end. He's got a couple touchdowns. Who is this? Okay, Lee Smith, he's fine, and Tyler Kroft stinks. Defensively, so starting off with the safeties, we got Micah Hyde, one of the best safeties in the NFL, 88 superstar. Jordan Poyer, 87, he's very good too. Linebacking core is really good on the right side with Matt Milano, who's pretty dang good. Tremaine Edmonds, who was 19 when he came into the league, I think so. He was a teenager. What's that face game? You got hair around here. Pretty dang weird glitch, but he's pretty dang good. And then AJ Klein, of course, is not good. He's okay though. Mario Allison is fine. Ed Oliver is very good, getting up there, but he's pretty dang good. Vernon Butler's fine. Is he older? Yeah, isn't he? Yeah, not really. But still, Mario Allison's really old. Jerry Hughes is all getting up there in age, but he's pretty dang good. Same with Trent Murphy. He's not good anymore, and he's getting really up there. And Trey White, probably top 5 corner, and he's really young too. Tyler Johnson, is this Tyler Johnson? No, it's Teron Johnson. He's good. Josh Norman's pretty good. He's had a decent season. Of course, he's older. Levi Wallace is also pretty good. Not having a great year though. And of course, AJ Epineza, the rookie, probably want to develop him. Normal doesn't help, but let's see if we can develop him. Special teams, of course, we have Andre Roberts at return, Bjorquez, and Tyler Bass, and yeah. So let's see what they can do in the wild card. We're playing the Colts, of course. See if we can beat the Colts in the wild card. And we do. We beat them 13-10. So game, you probably would think that might happen. Just upgrade the team. In the divisional, let's see. Can we beat? We're going to the Super Bowl. We're going to the conference championship. And we do beat the Steelers 38-14. And we got the Kansas City Chiefs. Can we beat the Chiefs in an upset? Can we beat them? No, we lose. Go to the offseason. Of course, I'll import my file. Not that draft class. right back in there. It does that a lot. Of course, let's import the draft class and go into the off season. Let's see what the files say. It's a good dang file, I can just say that. QB Trey Lance is 4, yeah. I'm gonna just let him do auto. Old offensive line, we're gonna be doing a lot of trading, I can just say. Good, really good team though. Not gonna check the stats because it's real life, all of the stuff is real life. I guess we can check yearly awards. Yearly awards. Josh Allen wins MVP. That's not gonna happen in real life, but it happens in this game, so that's good. AFC Offensive Player of the Year is Josh Allen. Defense Player of the Year is Xavier Howard. Offensive Player of the Year is Justin Herbert. Zach Moss at 10. Wait, do we have anyone for Defense Player of the Year? No. Defensive Rookie of the Year is Patrick Queen. No Bills. Best QB going is Mahomes for some reason. Allen at 2. We might have Diggs in here. Diggs is at 2 for best receiver. So Josh Allen does win MVP. We got some guys to re-sign. So we're definitely not getting Josh Allen back. Borquez is just getting free agency. I don't know about Levi Wallace. Bye. So we're definitely getting Matt Milano. We don't have much money. Take down the money a little. Take this. How much is the franchise tag? Too much. So we'll just try to get him in free agency. Levi Wallace. How much does he want? Really cheap. You have a 5-year deal. I'll bid a little. So we got him back. So we have 2 guys we really want in free agency. Like, who the heck do you really even want? None of these guys, really. Well, let me see. Yeah, all these guys, no. We really want Matt Milano back in free agency. I can just say that. And Borquez wouldn't be bad. And yes, I will be trading. I don't want anyone else besides Matt Milano. Wait, let's see if there's any other good right outside linebackers besides him. Matt Milano's the only good one. Ebuchan wouldn't be bad, but I'm just gonna go after him. We're gonna have to give him a good amount of money though. He wants a ton of money. Let's pay him a lot of money. We're in 3rd, we're not getting Matt Milano. How about a left outside linebacker? Son Reddick. No one's going after Tyus Bauer. Tyus Bowser. How about a middle linebacker? Yeah, David's here. We're not going to try to get him. Brown. Man, I think we should just try to draft a linebacker. And just get our punter. Old. Let's get him back. Take it all the way down to the minimum. Okay, we're not giving him any bonus. The absolute lowest, but he's probably just gonna accept. And of course, we're just gonna do some trading. I'm just gonna look at the roster and the guys we need to trade for their contracts. White, you can't really do much about. Deion Dawkins, you can't do much about. Mitch Morse, man, but he's a decent center. Mario Allison, you need to trade. Wait, how can we cut him? Yeah, I'll cut him. John Brown, we're gonna keep. Jerry Hughes, we will trade. Vernon Butler, we'll keep. Cole Beasley, we'll keep. Who the heck is this guy? 71? I'll roll cut you. These guys we don't need. Minkovic. We'll free a ton of money with that. Like, these contracts are just so bad. Like, even AJ Klein, like, what the heck? Okay, we'll trade AJ Klein. If anyone wants him. Cody Ford's young. Keep him. Like, yeah, we don't have a good running back. Okay, we're gonna just be. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to go after Zeke. Well, I'm just gonna get rid of the guys we don't need. AJ Klein, bye. Like, Vernon Butler, no. AJ Ebenezer, we're gonna keep. We're gonna get rid of Jerry Hughes. Cardinals. Who Baker? We don't need him, never mind. Like, who the heck do we need? Like, you're not gonna transfer Hopkins, maybe? I'm just gonna go after him. We're not gonna get it. Well, let's see. Say we trade a first rounder from next year. If we get D-Hop, I'm just gonna be like ecstatic. How about a first one this year? Okay, we might have to do something here. Need a right tackle. We don't have a right tackle. Cody Ford's fine. Mitch Morse is fine. Man, yeah, we really need. Yeah, we're gonna be drafting on the line. I can just say that. John Brown, maybe if you want him. Just goes down. I do need a right end, and we have a ton of those. I know that. Okay, I'm gonna stop trying to go after DeAndre Hopkins. Okay. Dolphins, what are you giving me for him? Like, who the heck do we even need? Oh yeah, we do. Yeah, you guys want a good draft pick, I know that. We got the 4th pick. Bam. Just got the 4th overall pick from the Dolphins. Probably would have got something else. But we need 3 offensive linemen, I know that. Does anyone want AJ Klein? Like, there's so many guys we need. Eagles. Wait, we can't even trade for anyone. Any other team want AJ Klein? It doesn't look like it, no. Well, okay. We do a 4th for AJ Klein? I'll literally trade you this for him. Okay. Let's get a 7th from next year for AJ Klein, who we don't need. So literally what we're going to do in the draft, for sure, right guard, left guard, and right tackle. And a running back wouldn't be the worst. Defense, we need outside linebackers, edge, and that's about it. Outside linebackers and edge and, well, let's see if we can get anyone. Oh, no, not skill living. We don't need him. Rather Shaquem for a second. Like, he's that high overall. We can't go after him. Yo, Tooney has someone after him. Come on. I saw Reddick. Oh, all these edge. Tyus Bowser actually would be a bad pickup. Oh yeah, 4-year deal, take down the money. Maybe Shaquem Griffin? Take the money down. Okay, so then we need a right end. Edge. Trey Hendrickson. Oh. Fine, we'll go after Trey Hendrickson. We have a ton of money. Okay. We have XP. I know that. So let's spend some of it. Well, why did I just do that? Well, you can redo it. I didn't mean to do that. Do we have any money for... Okay, you want D-line. I want to speed up the rebuild a little. You don't want it to be a movie long. Okay, so we got Tyus Bowser, we got Trey Hendrickson. Did anyone go after Shaquem Griffin? Ooh, Pat's one. Well, it's okay. Raekwon McMillan. Maybe. This is not a bad pickup. 7-year deal, take down the money. Like, he's not great, but not bad. Let's see if we can get Corey Baropez, whatever the heck the guy's name is. Okay, we got, okay, 50 options. Okay. Oh, who? Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I forgot. We gotta pay Josh Allen. Who else? Tremaine Edmonds? Heck yeah. Let's go to the draft and pick some guys up. So, we need all line. So, 1, Zach Wilson at 1. That would just be insane. Trevor Lawrence is at 2. 3 is Jamar Chase. Okay. Okay, let's go. The guy spelled it wrong. We don't need Justin Fields. It's nice knowing that we have a quarterback. Okay, I'm just going to take the right guard. Cade Mays at Tennessee. Power. Looks decent and is really good. Okay, so we need right tackle. I'm actually going to trade down. Any first? Oh, these stink. I'm just gonna try to do one of those trades, types of trades. So we will trade him down. Are there any right tackles we can get? Not Bobby Massey, definitely not. I wonder if it's possible to get Christian Wirfs. No, it's impossible. Okay. Brian Bulaga is old. Mitchell Schwartz is old too, but we don't really need him. Tillman, how about that? Yeah, Tillman's pretty dang hard to get. Who else can we get? Like, we need a tackle. Any left tackles we could get? I think that's just gonna. Oh. John Williams. John Williams. No, we're not gonna get it. Oh, but that's still wasting my time. I'm just gonna go after, I don't know. Wyatt Teller maybe, if we can get him. Oh yeah, we're getting Wyatt Teller. Okay, so we're gonna get Wyatt Teller. That's gonna be a big pickup. 5th? First and a 5th? Maybe we could add like a... third from next year. Give me my 3rd. It's gonna have to be a 2nd. Ooh, what the, how about I just take out the 3rd and just do this? So I probably could have got something else, but Wyatt Teller for our 1st and 2nd round picks. Not a big deal. It's only the end of the draft because I don't really want to draft anything else. Let the CBO do its thing, and of course, subscribe and like, and game starts in 12 minutes. Got my phone right here. Getting ready for some updates. Alright, so yeah, let's get right into it. Next week, and I'll have to do some position changes, and 85 overall. Now up to a 91. This is not going to be our team, I can just say that. Cody Ford. We're moving you to left guard. Wait, he is a right guard? Wait, whoa. I'm going to move Cody Ford up. Mays is going to go play. Yeah, I've seen Cade Mays play, he's decent. I'm going to move the right tackle. And yeah, he's down 1 overall, but it's okay. Defensively, Hendrickson, D-tackle, I'm not too good. Epineza, we're going to start. Bowser and McMillan aren't too impressive, but Trey Evans fine. Our secondary is the same. Special names, did we get Borkas? Okay, we need to sign Borkas, or whoever the heck it is. I guess we didn't re-sign Andre Roberts. I just want to see if anyone's sitting here with dev trades. Oh, look at. No. Oh, a rookie punter. Undrafted rookie punter. Okay, not bad. We signed it 1 year ago. Let's go to the mid-season mark and see what we can do. I think this team's capable of winning 6 games. I really think so. I really think this. Okay, so week 9 we are 2-5, so we're not good. Oh, it's playbooks. Well, that's not too good. So we gotta re-sign Wyatt Teller. Don't want a ton of money. 5-year deal, up the money. Finally give him this deal. He's played just so good. He's been rising up all year. Micah Hyde we gotta pay. Wait, I'm not gonna get a 6-year deal. 4. Got Micah Hyde back. Ron Johnson, sure. Not John Brown. He's too old. I like John Brown. I think he's a really good receiver, but just old. Okay, he wants better salary. We said the punter. Super cheap. Okay, so we got a punter for a long time. Okay, so we need Johnson back, and yeah. Diggs is frustrated. Well, we need a running back. I think we got to trade for a running back. Of course, it's Wyatt Wright's coach's name. Okay, so we're not using Sean McDermott. I'm just going to go all Browns. It works. So, that's for sure. So, for that reason only, we are going to turn off coach firing because it just ruins your rebuild when we do that. Because there's another glitch you can't do pre-existing injury, which, well, that's not really a glitch when you think of it. Okay, now let's go on to Sim Prince, 7-0 Patriots. Let's see if we can make the playoffs. I don't know. Okay, so this is just going to be a tough rebuild from what I've seen so far. That's all I know. But let's see what we can do in the wild card if we even make playoffs. It's going to be tough. Bills aren't great in simulation. They're always okay or decent, but they're never great. The playbook change might help. But I'm guessing we're not making playoffs because we were started off 2-5. We didn't make the playoffs. Okay, so Cade Mays has an ability. It's gonna be superstar. Oh, I don't care about the abilities really, as long as they're. Oh, we went 7-9, so climate change definitely helped. Allen was not very good. Defense was we had 2 average. Allen 26-9, 61 completion percentage, 4,300 yards. Not bad at all, but not great. Rushing, Singletary stunk because we don't have a run game. Beasley, who was in the slot, had 75 for 1,118 with 12. Knox 84, 970 and 5. Diggs 61, 829 and 3. John Brown had 59, 670 and 3. I'm gonna put Diggs back in the slot. I'm gonna put Diggs in the slot. He's not getting any targets and catches. Jermaine Edmonds had ladder team tackles of 134, tackles for loss, 14 for AJ Epinesa that led the team. We had no pressure, 5 sacks for Ed Oliver, 4 for Tyus Bowser, 3.5 for Trey Hendrickson, kicking, whatever. Awards. Ross wins MVP. No Bills. AFC Offensive Player of the Year, Cam Newton. No Bills. Defensive player of the year, Levante David. No Bills. Offensive rookie of the year is Zach Wilson. No Bills. Defensive rookie of the year is Damian Clark. Damon Clark, whatever the heck. No Bills. And yeah. So down here, not a good year. 7-9 is not what you would expect. Let's go to Super Bowl week. See who wins the Super Bowl, actually. All I know is we didn't make the playoffs and we underperformed, and the playbooks definitely made it. Okay, so Super Bowl, it's any dev upgrades. BZ went up to Superstar. That's about it. Defensively, nothing. So we need D-line and stud pass rusher. Super Bowl 56 is Patriots Saints. That would be pretty dang good. It's Cam Newton or someone else, and the Saints win the Super Bowl. So Ron Johnson, we got to re-sign, and yeah. I'm probably giving him this money. I kind of want to trade Mitch Morse. Honestly, to know the truth, I kind of want to trade Mitch Morse. We have down overall a lot. Yeah, I want to trade Mitch Morse. Look, his head's just huge. Wait, can we get Joe Mixon? Not any day of the week. I might try to go after Zeke. I know the Giants we could get Saquon. But what the heck are you really? We need running back. I know that. O-line's fine. Wait, could we trade like a first? Why is it the number one overall pick? You don't want Mitch Morse. I'll take the 12th for Mitch Morse. Some glitches happen. Okay. Just whether they get the number 112 overall pick. Okay. Mitch Morse, the 3rd from this year, and a 6th from next year, gets us number 12 from the Panthers. Well, not yet. Now let's see. Okay. Mitch Morse, a 3rd from this year, and a 5th from next year, gets us number 12 from the Panthers. And I gotta spend some Coach XP. I'll just do that later. Let's see if we can spend. Who do we want to get? Devontae Adams is here, and I will get him. I'm gonna get him. No way in heck I'm offering you that much money. I'll offer you this much. And yeah. So I'm gonna spend the XP if we can on wide receiver. Ton of XP, but we get Devontae Adams. They're gonna have a pretty dang good passing game. We just got Devontae Adams. This is gonna be so sick. This pass game is just gonna be so sick. We didn't need Devontae Adams. If you want to know the truth, we didn't need him. We still got him. Can I trade Cole Beasley? What would be the dumbest thing to do? They always have some cap space. What the heck would we want from them? What's their draft pick? 15, I'll take that. And this is just so great that we just got Devontae Adams. Not the 5th. We got him, I think we might have got him from the Eagles rebuild, but you didn't blame me. I'm just trying fourth and a fourth from next year. I'm gonna be third. Wait, do we have a third from next year? Yeah, we do. Okay, Cole Beasley, a fourth from this year, and a fourth from this year, and a third from next year gets us 15 from the Eagles and Cole Beasley. Okay, so we got Devontae Adams. What else do we really need? Well, I didn't really address our center position we need. We'll get that in the draft because we have 3 first-round draft picks. Okay, we need center and D-line. We have 3 first-round draft picks. Let me look at the draft. Okay, so this D tackle, let's see what he looks like. Pretty freaking good. Are there other good D tackles? Okay, yeah, there's another good one. He doesn't look as good as the other one. This guy's late. Mid. Okay, so this guy's gonna be really good. We're not gonna get him. Where do we pick? I don't think we're gonna get him. So if we get the second one, the mid one, I'll be happy. So we really need D tackle. Okay, easy. I'm taking him. 74 normal development, not good, but he's the only good one we had there. So we have 2 picks in a row. They take a right outside linebacker. It looks pretty dang good. Right end, there's no one. Left end, early. This guy looks beast. He is a 76 normal. We can't really give him any. Okay, so let me look at the lot roster. We might take him with someone, we might not. I don't really care about tight end. My receiving core is it's so good. So we got a guy from here. We're gonna get a third one. Man, wouldn't it not? I'm trading this pick for a running back, I'm just saying. Because we need a running back badly. Anyone would want this package, I will give them. Devin Singletary, no offense, but you're just not good. Bears don't have a running back. Cardinals, do you have a running back? No. Okay, we got Austin Eckler. I'm fine with that trade because we need a running back who's 88 or higher. So Austin Eckler, let's see what your overall is. I'm guessing you have star? Okay, it's star. He's an 88 though. 27. So we just got Austin Eckler for a first round pick and our running back, Devin Singletary. I'll let the CPU handle the rest, but I don't want to reach on a outside linebacker, which it looked like there was a lot of good ones, but don't want to reach on guys because when we reach, it gets bad. So reboot hasn't gone according to plan. The sim engine, I don't think was so good last. The team we had was pretty dang good, and no offense, but when you have Devontae Adams and Stephon Diggs on the same team, arguably two best receivers in the NFL, this team should be going. Our offense should be really, really good for that reason. And we have a good running back. Our passing game should be very, very good. I know we don't have a tight end. I know. But Dawson Knox has star development and he's decent, so that's good. We got rid of superstar Cole Beasley, but he was old anyway, and he had a big cap hit or 7 something, so it's not good. So I'm okay doing that. So mid-season mark, we are 5-2, so that's what I like to see. Browns playbook might be part of it. Okay, we have to sign some big guys. Like Josh Allen, Tremaine Edmonds, bye Jordan Poyer, Ed Oliver, Cody Ford, and bye everyone else. Josh Allen, what the heck did you want? You want a lot of money. You want a lot of money, man. I'll give you this massive deal. Oh, that's so much money. Why did I give him so much? Okay, so Tremaine Edmonds, we're going to have to give him some money. Because he's a middle linebacker. And, well, they're not that expensive when you think of it. I don't want Jordan Poyer. We can get a safety in the class. I'll give you the steal that Oliver. Dawson Knox, maybe? Take down my money a little. I'm not going to give you more money. I'm just not going to. You're not that good of a tight end. Cody Ford, I will give you a 3-year deal and boost up the money a little. Okay, we got Cody Ford back. He's decent. We need. I might go after Dawson Knox, but right now, we just gave Josh Allen the biggest contract ever. Like, literally, look at this the salary for this. It's ridiculous. Oh God. 39.41. This is just ridiculous. 44.8. God, we're just giving him so much. He's a 94 overall quarterback. That's pretty dang good. That's okay. Going to the playoffs. I think we can make them, but we're going up against a team. So that's about it. But I'm just saying, Josh Allen's a pretty dang good quarterback, but I won't give him that much money. The games are already started. Don't know why I'm not watching it, but I'm not because I'm filming this right now. Okay, so game started. We didn't make the playoffs? How? How did we not make the playoffs? We went 8-8. God. Okay, so Allen 4,000 yards, 28 touchdowns. Offense was fine. Defense was okay. Actually, our offense was not good. Our defense was really good. Allen 28-10, 63 completion, 4,000 yards. Rushing, Eckler 975, 10 touchdowns. Devontae Adams 71, 1,000, 4 touchdowns. 94, 925, and 6 for Diggs. That's ridiculous. So annoying. Okay, so Tremaine Edmonds had 112, 9 TFLs, and whatever else. 13 tackles for loss for Trey Hendrickson. He also led our team with 10.5 sacks. I gotta do another playbook change. 3 for Jordan Poyer, 2 for Tremaine Edmonds, 2 for Tre'Davious White. Kerry Vincent Jr. had 2. 2 for Michael Hyde, 2 for Teron Johnson, 1 for Bowser, 1 for McMillan, 1 for Lee, and 1 for Wallace. Okay. MVP, Ryan Tannehill. No Bills. Offensive Player of the Year, Ryan Tannehill. Josh Allen, 7. Defensive Player of the Year is Myles Garrett. No Bills. Offensive Rookie of the Year is Colin Polk. No Bills. Defensive Player of the Year, Sharif Burnett, whatever. No, Aaron Mixon at 10. So that could be a depth upgrade. Okay, so going into whatever the heck the season is, season 2 or 3, whatever. Technically season 3. We will be doing playbook change because it's just kind of getting on my nerves. Fangio. Wait, our defense was actually fine the way it was. It was our offense that wasn't putting up huge numbers. That's my only. Stefanski is fine with me. Okay, so re-signing period. What the heck does Nelson Knox want? I'm not gonna pay it if it's too much. Jerome Porter, we don't need you. You're an 80 overall and you're 37. Is that enough for you? Okay, so you got Nelson Knox for another 6 years. Okay, so what the heck do we need in free agency? That's my question. We need safety. Whoa. Why the heck is Wyatt Teller not starting? Well, so we need Wyatt Teller. We need. Oh, wait, I forgot. We didn't get a center. We need a center. We need a. This is so stupid. We need a center and what else? Why isn't he playing right guard? This is so dumb. Okay, I'm just gonna move him to left guard. Okay, we need center. And defensively, edge, and maybe D tackle. Probably edge. Maybe outside. I think we might go outside linebacker. We have 5 mil. So you're going to sign for cheap at like outside linebacker? Not really. We do have XP though. I don't want to waste any more of my money, so we'll go annual. You can't go do that. We can't do that. D line maybe. Okay. Alright, I don't really want to win free agency just for the reason I just stated. So Rivers has the ball and it's 10:38 in the first. That's all I know. What pick do we have? 17. Look at the draft. Probably need edge. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's see if there's anyone good here. No good outside linebackers. Let's see. Let's look at this D tackle they're hyping up. I don't blame him, but he's an LA first rounder. Look at this dude. Not good. He's got mid? Maybe. I'll probably take this guy, Wayne Rainey. And he's not great, but he's okay. Let's go to the end of the draft and go for another season. So I just keep going and going and going, you know, like that. Next week, it's 2023 and third season. This might be the final season, depends. Oh shit, I forgot to draft. Yeah, we didn't get a guard. Forgot. We did get a D tackle, so. And we needed a strong safety. Shoot, I forgot. Okay, let's just see if we can trade for any. We need a strong safety, that's for sure. Any team, we have like 5 D tackles. Then a lot of defensive tackles. Like, I'll trade this guy. I'm not kidding. Isaiah Simmons, you might actually be able to get. He just got Isaiah Simmons straight up for, well, it's because he's playing there, but he's got Isaiah Simmons. I don't know, wait, should we actually just keep him there? I think I will. Isaiah Simmons we just got, and I got just straight up for a backup D tackle. Mid-season mark, let's see. Update, it is first down and 10 for the Colts. Taylor has 20 rushing yards. Hilton has a reception, and Pittman has a reception. Bills on the other hand, Moss has a carry for 3 yards, and Cole Beasley is 1 reception. 9:08 in the first. Don't worry, I'll be watching the game right after we're done with this. Mid-season mark, we are 4-4, so not great. We had some Diggs. Well, I don't know what. I think it's just going to be the final season. It's going to be the final season. We're 4-4. Might make the playoffs. It's going to be tough, but trying to make the playoffs. Let's go to the playoffs and see what we can do. Might not make it, might make it, but it's going to be the final season because this is going to, it's been a long rebuild, but it's been a weird one, I'd say. We haven't made the playoffs. I don't know why we haven't, but we haven't made it. Let's see if we can do decent second half of the season. Sorry I haven't drafted good. I just brain farted twice. It will be better next rebuild though, I'll say that. Which is going to be the team that made it, lost on a pick 6 last year in the wild card round. You'll see trivia for you. We didn't make the playoff final season. We went 7-9, so sorry it wasn't really my fault. Let's see what our overall team was though. Still want to send the Super Bowl to see if that upgrades. 88 overall is actually pretty dang good if you ask me. But Allen 3,000. This is just ridiculous. 28 touchdowns. 5th. I really hate the way Madden works. 28 touchdowns. These are the same stats from last year. Like literally. Eckler's 954 and 4 touchdowns. This is getting really annoying. 80 receptions, 973 and 8 touchdowns. And Diggs only had 60 for 529 and 9 touchdowns. Guys, these are 99 overall receivers. Like what the heck? What am I saying? These playbooks are just so bad. 113 tackles and 7 TFLs. Well, now it's actually 12 TFLs straight over. Led the team. 5.5 sacks. We got no pressure. Fred Oliver. We had 4 combined picks. Yeah, I'm starting to get on my nerves. It really is starting to get on my nerves, guys. It really is. Okay, Zach Wilson wins MVP. No Bills. AFC Offensive Player of the Year is Zach Wilson. No Bills. Defensive Player of the Year, AFC is TJ Watt. No Bills. Offensive Rookie of the Year is Spencer Gales. No Bills. Alexander Lashley is the Defensive Rookie of the Year. William Rainey is at 10. This is just a bad rebuild. Like 99 receivers. I don't know if they're actually 99, but still 99 receivers, and we aren't winning the games. It's just getting kind of frustrating. Devontae Adams has an upgrade, but I don't really do anything. Can't upgrade. Alright, we finished with 88 overall. Pretty dang good overall. What I don't get is we had 299 receivers and we still didn't win the Super Bowl. And then we're not on that. No, I'm just joking. So, Deion Dawkins we kept. Wayne Whiteteller we got. Cody Ford. Kid May is really, really good. Dawson Knox kept in 80. Stephon Diggs. Devontae Adams, both 99s. How the heck did we not make the playoffs? Austin Eckler, 89. 96, Josh Allen. Defense, 97, Tre'Davious White. Jaron Johnson got to an 83. Levi Wallace got to a 77, 1 overall. Trey Hendrickson, we got for agency, 84. 87 at Oliver. Jonathan Hankins somehow ended up in this team at 76. I don't know who the heck this guy is. Oh wait, it was Jimmy Hughes, the guy we drafted. Raekwon McMillan, we got for agency. We really didn't have a good linebacking for the whole entire video. Tremaine Edmonds got to an 87. Tyus Bowser got to a 77. Micah Hyde went down from superstar by 84 overall. Isaiah Simmons got to an 85. This is like the worst rebuild I've probably ever done, but it's for one reason only. You want to know why? This game doesn't know how to sim. I'm just saying. If you enjoyed the video, guys, like, subscribe. I know it wasn't a good rebuild. It happens sometimes. See you later. Like, subscribe, as I said. See you later. Peace.